may be seated. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I think I'd like to end off today's service with a little story time. Can I tell y'all a story? All right. Now, I'm going to start it off. God don't like ugly. Amen. Deacon Robinson, you ain't got to worry. You can go on and relax. We ain't talking about looks. Amen. God don't like ugly. What thou does in the dark shall be brought to the light. Amen. Amen. It don't matter how well we hide the text. How many times you delete your call log. The Lord shall deliver every time. Amen. Can I get a witness?
A few moments later.
I said, God don't like ugly. You reap what you sow. If you want to march out of my life, I'll open the door.
A few moments later.
The doors of the church are open. You are free to go. As you leave, I would like for the choir to play some selections from the good brother Drake, Marvin's Room. Amen. Wouldn't you believe this big chin heifer left me on the Lord's Sunday?